Okay, so got it all prepped up again, so rubbed it all down, dusted it all off. So now we're going to put another coat on it, and I've got my timer here just to show you how quick you can put a coat on it with the GRACO Ultra. So the GRACO Ultra is already set up, and then we're going to put a coat on this quickly. So there you go, 42 seconds to put a coat on all that. Obviously it was a quick coat, but it shows you how quickly you can get it on with an airless or a GRACO Ultra. Right, so I've just taken the top off that. The eggshell's dried now, and the top of it, I was going to rub it back to a lighter colour. I quite like that. I think that looks smart. Yeah, trouble is, once I rub it back, I don't know how light it's going to go. And you know, at the end of the day, all I'm trying to do is get it ready to sell. So the more work I put into it, the less profit I'm going to make. So I'm going to put the furniture back on, the handles and that, and see what it looks like. So there you can see the tape lines that I put around the outside, and it was just a snug fit, but obviously it's left a lovely line. Nothing too fancy and really easy, quick to do. Dreamy. I've put it all back together now. As you can see, I've got my lighting set up, so good lighting on the photo is brilliant. especially when you're taking photos for people to buy it because they want to see it in its best looking form. I've got two walls. I've got a wall there which is just like a colour, and then I've got this concrete slab wall which I quite like the look of. So I'm going to take some photos in front of that and see how it comes out. Taking loads of photos. It's better to take more than less, because obviously you can just chuck them away if you don't need them. So now the process would be to upload those photos, maybe do a bit of work to them to make it look better, and then upload it to eBay.